Hey guys, it's Brian, and today I want to do a video of my 29-inch FASCO Vanity Fair ceiling fan that is installed here in the upstairs hallway of my house. The first generation Vanity Fairs are kind of an anomaly in that they use a lot of third generation parts, but also a mixture of second generation parts of FASCO Charleston ceiling fans that you can see. They use second generation Charleston blade badges, a third generation flywheel, and a third generation bottom switch cap. But this one originally came with a second generation style canopy, being the slide up canopy with the ball socket mount. I know this fan was made in the 80s, late 80s, so my thoughts are it's a first generation Vanity Fair because I know the second generations use different blade badges and they use the standard ball socket mount from a third generation Charleston. So anyway, we're going to call this a first generation Vanity Fair. So it's a great fan. It moves a really good amount of air. It does need a little bit of work, that it has some nicks and stuff on the blades, and they're not in the greatest shape. That's mostly from being in storage and banging around a little bit in storage, but I think eventually I'll clean those up and spiff them up a little bit. I did add a tassel pull chain to it that's not an original FASCO pull chain. I just figured white tassel looked good in this location. Eventually I do plan on installing a single globe light kit on it, but right now I do not have a white one handy, so I'll have to order one at some point. But we'll go ahead and demonstrate it. Here's low. They do move incredibly slow for a 29-inch fan. Very smooth running fan. Medium. And it does wobble a little bit because the flywheel is a little bit wonky and the flywheel cover is kind of out of clock. But on medium it doesn't wobble at all. It does put out a good breeze though. And high. It does definitely wobble quite a bit, actually. I'm gonna have to do some work on that flywheel. You can actually see the flywheel is out of clock a little bit. The flywheel cover, the flywheel itself, not so much. But I think that's what's causing the wobble. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. I don't like that noise. That sounds like bad things were going to happen, so. But other than that, it runs good. Just needs a little bit of work. So, no big deal. So anyway, that's my 29-inch FASCO Vanity Fair. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.